Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to delete post on Threads. So what you have to gonna do, you will have to just open the Threads app by Instagram. So when it's open, so you have to go to your profile. So you have to scroll down. So there is, you will see the post of yours. So you have to just click to the three dots or the top right on this post. So you will have to go to three dots and there is the option of delete. You have to click to delete and you have to delete this post. You have to click to the delete button, so it will be deleting from Threads. You will see the post is deleted completely successfully. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.